Today I'm going to show you how to convert a MySQL file to an SQL file. So first of all, we need some of the softwares like MySQL Workbench SQL Server 2016. You can install the server, any server which you want to convert the file into. Like if you want to convert it into the 2012 version, then you have to install SQL Server 2012. So here I'm showing how to do it for 2016, and it remains the same process for the 12. And third is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 2017, and my fourth is Microsoft SQL Server Migration Assistant. So for MySQL Workbench, I already shown in my previous video how to install MySQL Workbench. So for that, the link is given in the description below. You can go there and visit and see how we can install the MySQL Workbench. And after that, now let us see how to install SQL Server 2016. So to install Server 2016 or 17, both are the same. Just first go to the official Microsoft site, and from there download the SQL Server Service Pack 2 2016, and then start the setup. The setup will be look like this. Click on the first button. You can see here new SQL Server standalone system, or you can run it. Click on the new SQL Server standalone installation. First, you can also see the requirements and other details regarding the software here. If you are not a developer, so you can change the option from here by here and install the server. It is very simple. Just accept it and click on next until it asks for other things like your username and password, which you want to keep in your server. So like this, all this will be installed normally. This all steps are not necessary. You can skip these all steps. After that, this page will come. In this, you can select the server name. You can give it, and you can select the type of authentication. If you want to use window authentication, or you want to give your own authentication, in that you can use, you keep your username and password as you want it to. Like here is SQL Server Act. You can keep it a simple one which you can remember, and click on create, and that's all. The MySQL server is installed on your system. So we have completed these two things. Like I think it will be a check, but it's more like a root. It's not a problem. So Workbench, you can see that video in the description. SQL Server we are already installed. Okay, now let's go for SQL Server Management Studio. So in the Server Management Studio, first run the same setup which you have downloaded is from the Microsoft official site. In that system, click on Install SQL Server Management Tools. In that, it will download a setup named SS. It will redirect you to the download page, and click on Download SQL Server Management Studio. Then after on, click on Studio and click on Install, and it will take some time, like 5 to 7 minutes, or depend on your system configuration. And then click Close. So your server, Microsoft Server Studio, will be installed. And the last thing left is the main thing, which is your Server Migration Assistant. So for that, you have to download the SQL Server Migration Assistant from a site. I will provide you the link to all these in my description. After that, click on the setup, run the setup, and follow these steps. Like next, you can do it, it's normal. Here it will show something like setup is unable to find Oracle client software. So you have to download that software by clicking this download button. And the setup, you have to see the configuration of the setup. If your SSMA is of 32-bit, it doesn't matter either your window is 64-bit or 32-bit. If your setup is 32-bit, so download the ODBC driver for 32-bit. Don't download it to 64-bit, otherwise it won't not work. It will show some error. Then click I accept the agreement. You have to next and choose the typical says okay. Then click on next and install. Thus your Oracle system is installed. So we are done with all this installation thing. Now I will show you how to convert the MySQL database or term file to a SQL file. Here I have a table in MySQL workbench in named Sakila. As you can see, it has some address and address category and another thing. I want to convert this file to SQL server. So if you're thinking why do we need to convert in SQL, something you are supposed to do things like you are working on MySQL project, but somehow someone wants to change it to SQL, and you have already done all this work and you don't want to do that all work again, so you have to simply convert the file. So for converting it, first you have to open the SSMA migration assistant, which will be here on your desktop, or you can search it into the search bar by SSMA SQL migration assistant. So run it. It will take a bit seconds. Oh, here it is. For converting, click on new project and name your project like SQL migration test or something, whatever you want, and select the server. Only select the server which you have already installed in your system. Like I have installed 16 server, SQL server 16, so I have to select 16. And you can see the location where you want to store the file. It's desktop. You can do whatever you want to. Click on OK. Now after that, click on connect to MySQL. So for MySQL, you have to enter the username and password. This is all not already filled. I did it by myself by saying it what was in my MySQL server. So you have to do the same for that. Here you can see your local host is 3306 and username is root and password whatever it is which you set up during the after the installation. So now let me enter my password. Now so it is connecting to my MySQL workbench. Now it is connected. As you can see, it is provided in the database. I have so many of database, so we have to convert the database named Sakila to Microsoft SQL. For that, first if you want to see that there is an error, any errors in your database or not, you can click on create report and see that. But I'm sure that there are no errors in my, so I'm skipping this step. You can also skip this step if you want to, but if you want to check the errors, you can click on it. It will give you a report of the errors. After that, click on connect to SQL server. So here this is also not already filled. Here I have to fill it by yourself. So the name of my database I want to keep like Sakila test. Okay. After that you have to see the authentication, window authentication or SQL server authentication, whichever you use after during the installation of SQL server 2016. Let me enter my password. Click on connect. So it is showing something like database Sakila test does not exist in specified instance of SQL server. It is saying that the database which we named, it does not exist in our SQL server. So yes, we want to create it there. So click on yes, create database. And this is a common operation. This is not necessary. You can continue it without looking at it. It's basically to skip this step or something. So okay, so here we go. So in the database you can see the Sakila test is created. Now all we have to do is to convert the database from MySQL to SQL. So in here the MySQL metadata explorer, click on tools, and in the tools there is an option named convert schema. Click on that. So this process, this is the basic step for converting. Okay, it will take some time. You gotta wait for that. So the conversion time basically depends on how large is your database. After that, the conversion, you have to synchronize the convert data in SQL Server Metadata Explorer down here. Now again go to the tools and click on synchronize with database so that it can see the, so here it is. You can see the conversion, how it is converted from MySQL data to SQL Server database. Click on OK. So you can see new table, new table. So tables are created in SQL Server. Now the synchronization is complete. After that, we just have to click on select the Sakila and migrate data. So migrate data from MySQL Server to SQL. Now it will ask again for the MySQL Workbench and SQL Workbench authentication. So you have to again enter both of the details. So this is the last step. Here we are done. Your table name Sakila test is created in your SQL Server database. This is a report for showing how much time it is taken to convert the tables. This is not necessary to see. So now you can open SQL Server Studio. The table name Sakila test will be present there. It will take a bit time. Wait for it to load. Enter your credentials. So here in the database you can see there is a table named Sakila test. Let's check is it working or not in the table section. So there are tables. Select any table and select top 2000 rows. Let's see is it showing the data or not. So here you can see all the data is present. You can verify that in both the MySQL and SQL are they equal or not. So you can see that. So this is all from me. Thank you for watching my video.